my Corsair 23. Haven't seen a lot of videos on this type of boat, so I wanted to create one. Probably seen one, but you don't see a lot of these boats. I'm repowering with a 454 and a Bravo 3. I got this boat for $1,200, believe it or not, with no motor, no drive. And I bought the drive for $500 with a 454. That was a lucky buy. I found a boat in Miami that was pretty bad, in rough shape. I'll show you guys pictures of the drive, what it looked like and everything later on. Basically, I rebuilt the transom assembly, got the whole drive sandblasted, put a new gimbal bearing, new bellows, new everything, new trim senders. Everything in this thing is brand new. Even some of the nuts, I'm getting these nuts brand new. It's gonna be awesome. Got the new sticker, everything. Let me show you inside. I just finished running the trim line. I got this brand new too. Let me get on the boat. And here's the engine bay. Cleaned it all out. Getting ready to drop the motor. Just put those trim lines. I gotta reroute everything. But this is how far I am so far. And I'm gonna keep you updated. Let me show you the boat. It's a great buy, $1,200. Oh, I replaced the steering cable. This is the inside. I'm gonna redo the whole interior, everything. This is my trim pump. New steering cable, new everything. Keep you posted. Stay tuned.